Good afternoon, Cougars and parents, and welcome to week 13 of the Cougar Connection. We had a great week at Simons Middle School. As you can see from the photos in the update, students participated in the Benchmark 1 reward with hide and seek, and we also had the Hype Devotional here at SMS on Wednesday, and Cougar Hill Farm produced its first honey for sale from its beehives. This week I'm going to take a moment and recognize Savannah Weiss as our student spotlight. Savannah is a participant in competitive gymnastics at Gymnasium Gymnastics in Moorhead. And more than just being a competitive gymnast and for her activities outside of school, I want to personally thank Savannah for always demonstrating the can, will, must attitude. I have watched her grow a lot over the course of middle school, and she continues to amaze me, and I cannot wait to see what the future holds for you, Savannah. So thank you so much for demonstrating the can, will, must attitude, and I'm excited to see what else you will do as a student here at Simons Middle School. This week's staff spotlight goes to Mr. Brandenburg, and we just want to take a moment and shout out to the 7th grade football team for its second place victory in the EKC Championship at Round County this past weekend, and to the 8th grade team who was victorious, who got the W in the EKC Championship. Mr. Brandenburg is the 7th grade football coach, and of course all of you know that he always does what is best for kids, and he's a huge part of what we do here at Simons Middle School. So thank you, Mr. Brandenburg, for all that you do for us, for our kids, and for Simons Middle School. And you can even see in the pictures for the staff spotlight that Mr. Brandenburg also participated this past weekend in donkey basketball. So thanks, Mr. Brandenburg, for being a team player. Just a few updates and upcoming announcements. Of course, tomorrow, Monday, we are going to have our Cougars of Distinction ceremony. We'll try to get that started around 8:15, and just as soon as we can get attendance and we can get kids into the auditorium, we will get started with that program, and that's to recognize students who are proficient and distinguished. Also, on tomorrow night, we will have data and exhibition night. That's going to start at 5 o'clock. It will end at 6:30, and it's going to be an opportunity for students to present their passion projects and also present all of their data to date to their parents or guardians. We also have Jeans for Troops going on this week. Staff, if you do not know what that is, you can check out the weekly update. There's some more information about that in the update that's coming. And then also on Monday, we're going to have our Achieve 3000 and Alex reward for October. There's no school on Tuesday. Tuesday is election day, so everybody get out and vote, but we won't have any school on that day. Wednesday is going to be all quiet for right now. And on Thursday, we do have a vertical team meeting at Fleming County High School staff that starts at 4. And also the academic Cougars are at home versus round. Friday, as always, is Can, Will, Must T-shirt day. And just a few other upcoming events. If you have a calculator, a TI 8384 calculator at your house that you are no longer using and you'd like to donate it, please do so. You can drop those by the office or send those with a student, and we will gladly send you a tax write-off form for that. Also, we're going to have a student and staff dodgeball tournament. That is going to be the day before we leave for spring break. So students, it costs $5 to play, and we will draft you on a team, and the winning team will get to take on the staff at Simons Middle School. That is all that we have this week for the Cougar Connection. Let's have another great week.